We gather today, 2 or 3 in your name. Reassurance you stay with us, know you never gon' change. Recalibrate our intentions and refocus our hearts. As we enter in your presence, we reflect who you are. In you my strength is renewed, that's why I choose to obey. And in all my ways I acknowledge you for the rest of my day. Shift our perspective to seek your peace above everything else. I put my faith inside your power, Lord, and not in myself. Lord, you're my refuge, you're my shelter, you're my shield and protector. It don't matter if they hate us, if the world don't accept us. Lord, you're so righteous and just, you correct us and love us. You sustain me, Lord, you change me, let your peace rain down on us. Yo.
You could try to tear me down, but it'll never work. I tell them I stay focused, I'm not folding. Keeping my ground in this living word. I tell them I stay focused, I'm not folding. Got no problem, yeah, my God got it, yeah, my God got me, yeah. I stay focused, keeping my eyes to the risen one. I tell them I stay focused, I'm not folding.
That was your personal best time on motor and really close to an 8.5.
Yeah, it was an 8.6. I was surprised.
Yeah, an 8.62. That was your personal best time on motor.
Yeah, I think I got it figured out.
And really close, but I think you're suffering on top end. And I
From my I'm not
Look, I
folding.
rolled up with my father. Rolled up with this Bible on me. Gotta keep that full armor, cause the enemy tryna ride up on me. Gotta keep this sober mind. Planting seeds on good grind. Pastor Glenn gon' roll up with us, no time to play, can't fool around. Holy ground, this HG. KMF, it's all the same to me. Demons all in your neighborhood, so you better be what you claim to be. Living water gon' flow down. Bread of life on that dinner table. Meditate on the word of God, let the word of God come and liberate you. My will for the Father's will. Fell down, but I'm climbing still. Fellowshipping with the Father now, but in that third heaven, you can find me here. Singing songs like David did. Christ came and he saved the kid. Elevation from the King of Heaven, man, look what all of these prayers did. Focus.
You could try to tear me down, but it'll never work. I tell him I stay focused, I'm not folding. Keeping my ground in this living word. I tell him I stay focused, I'm not folding. Got no problem, yeah, my God got it, yeah, my God got me, yeah. I stay focused, keeping my eyes to the risen one. I tell him I stay focused, I'm not folding.
God made, so I'm 10 toes. Tunnel vision, no inroads. I was burgundy with that burner B. I had to hurt of me, but that been gone. I don't never fall like I'm starched up. You know all the days that I sparked up. Scuffle daily with the opposition. You think my position ain't locked up? Please, I keep it Jesus, bro. Only thing that you need to know, if it was beef or more, I had to heat the blow. But that's the weakest thing that you can teach your folks. Now I'm saved, baby, no cap. God gave me that roadmap. GPS on how to leave the stress. Teach the youngest truth, that's why I go back. This the best of me, you want the recipe. Learn first what you was meant to be. Keep God first, stay in God's words. Little proverbs and no Hennessy. Pass off and don't stop praying. Keep going hard, no parlay.